Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the phone model and operating system because reset steps differ. Make sure the battery is at least 20% and connect to Wi-Fi. This prevents interruptions. If you can still access any data, back it up to the cloud or a computer now. Next, gather account credentials, Apple ID or Google account, and the recovery email or phone number. Once done, power down the device and prepare to enter recovery or factory reset mode immediately to start unlocking. Now boot into the phone's recovery or DFU mode using the exact button combination for your model. This is why knowing the model mattered. Connect to a computer if required and open Apple, Finder/iTunes, or the manufacturer's recovery tool, or use Android's recovery menu or Find My Device web tool. Choose the factory reset or erase option and follow prompts. When prompted for account authentication, enter your Apple ID or Google account details to remove activation locks. This completes the device wipe process. After the erase finishes, reboot and follow the on-screen setup to restore a backup or create a new account. If an activation lock appears, use the account recovery flow for your Apple ID or Google account first. This proves ownership and removes the lock. If recovery fails, contact official support with proof of purchase. If the process stalls, retry with a different computer, update the recovery software, and verify your network connection. These simple fixes resolve most hangups quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.